guys, it's Ellen Brock, novel editor. I am back today with another unboxing and review video. Today I have the Across the Page subscription box. This is a brand new subscription box. This is the first month ever, and the company sent it to me for free, and I thought that you guys would be really interested in knowing what's inside and what I think about the materials, if it will benefit you, and if it's something that you could use as a learning opportunity as a writer. So I'm really excited about this box because I think it has a really unique premise. It's a lot different from other boxes that are on the market right now for writers. So Across the Page is the first and only subscription box for screenwriters, playwrights, and cross-genre writers who want to experience the full evolution of a story. Each box includes copies of the script, book, movie, or stage play, as well as a story-inspired gift and author insights. Perfect for anyone who enjoys dissecting the science behind the art of writing. So the box will always contain a minimum of 2 to 3 versions of the story. So play, script, screenplay, book, film, etc. Exclusive content and insights from original authors, screenwriters, or playwrights. Possibly the occasional autograph material, which it looks like you would have to pay extra for. And a surprise gift inspired by the story or character. So I'm really excited about this box. I've always thought it would be really cool to adapt a novel into a screenplay. It's sort of one of my bucket list dream things to do. I think it would be really cool to delve into somebody else's world and characters and story and bring it into a different medium. So for that reason, I'm really excited about this box. I'm also a huge movie buff, so that's another reason that I'm excited about it. If you're not really that into movies, if you're not really a screenwriter, I still think there's a lot of benefits to learning screenplay writing. It's a very focused, structured way of telling a story, and even adapting your own novel into a screenplay can be a really great writing exercise, just as a way to help you to focus more on the core story and what you really want to say and what you really want to tell the audience. So there are 2 different boxes inside the box, which is really interesting and really nice. And of course there's the little spoiler card that tells you everything that's in the box, which we're not going to look at right now. So I'm going to start by opening the smaller box that was on the top. Okay, so in the little box there is an autographed copy of Artemis by Andy Weir, which is really exciting. I believe that this is an exclusive perk, and there was a little card on the book that says, occasionally we receive exclusive autograph materials in very limited quantities, at which point our monthly subscribers will be invited to purchase that month's exclusive perk for an additional fee. So I don't know what that additional fee would have been because I didn't purchase the box, but yeah, this is really exciting. I will show you the autograph. It is right there. Okay, so I think that this bigger box is what you would get if you did not buy the exclusive perk, if you just got the regular monthly subscription. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so right away I can tell that this box is The Martian themed, which is really cool. On the top there is The Martian by Andy Weir, and then there's also this Mars passport. I'm really excited to read this. I might be like one of the last people who haven't read this yet. I've had it on my list forever, along with Artemis. I just haven't gotten around to reading it. I don't know, but now I have no excuse, so I will definitely read it now. Okay, so the Mars passport is a tiny little notebook. It's really cute. It has little moon rocks along the bottom. Okay, so next we have a DVD of The Martian, and there's also a letter that is stuck to the front, so I'm going to take that off and see what's inside. So here's the front. And then when you open it up, it's this little pop-up. And it says, "Dare to dream beyond the stars, but write with both feet firmly planted on the ground." It's really cute. It's just a little thing you can put on your desk for inspiration. Okay, so next there is this card that says 4 questions with Andy Weir, and then on the back is the little interview. I will read that and then get back to you in the review section with what I think. Next there's a bookmark. It has the first line of the book on it. I'm not going to read it. I will let you fill in the expletive on your own. Okay, so the last thing that's in the box is the screenplay for The Martian, which is really cool. It was written by Drew Goddard and it won Best Adapted Screenplay, so I think that this is an excellent place to start the box for the first box ever. This is a really great book and film to start with. So I'm going to take all of these materials and look through them. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to read the entire script and the entire book in the next couple days for the review, but I will look through the materials and then let you know what I think, and I will get back to you in the second part of this video. Hey guys, so it's been a couple days. I've had a chance to look through all of the materials. Obviously, I haven't read all of it, but I did want to look through it, especially for quality, and all of it is really high quality. I'm very impressed with that element of the box. I especially wanted to check the print job on the script, and it's a really nice print job. I also wanted to check the DVD. If you've ever gotten a promotional DVD, sometimes they don't have the special features or the quality is lower, and that is not the case. This is just the regular DVD release of the film, which is really nice. I also found out that the little pop-up that came with the subscription box is a monthly feature, and it is designed by a paper craft artist who works with the staff of the subscription box. So that's really cool. It will be interesting to see what they come up with every month. Lastly, I did figure out the price on this add-on item, which was the signed copy of Artemis. It would have been $8.95 to add this to the box, which I think is reasonable. I do like that they have an opt-in and opt-out option in case you don't like the author or don't care to have the signed copy or already own the book or whatever the case may be. I think it's nice that you don't have to make that commitment if you don't want to. I also took the time to read the little interview that's on the back of this card with Andy Weir, which was really interesting. It is very short. There's a blog on their website that expands on it a little bit and has a little bit more information. I do think, as some constructive criticism, in the future it would be nice if there was more writing advice in the box. As it is, I think you could learn a lot just from reading the novel and watching the film and reading the script and sort of absorbing those changes and how the story evolved. But I think it would have been interesting to have a little bit more detail about technique or things you might want to keep in mind or take into consideration. I think moving forward, since the writers of anything really are often really busy, it might be nice to find somebody who maybe does have time, who isn't directly related to the story the box is themed around, to provide some sort of, not necessarily generic advice, but some overarching advice that could apply to most writers, just to make the box a little bit more advice heavy, a little bit more catered specifically to writers. So if you're interested in the subscription box, I will put the link in the description. It's $39.95 per month, and you can save a few dollars by subscribing to more than 1 month at a time. All in all, I thought that this was a really cool experience. I think there's a ton of potential to really have some interesting stories and some interesting adaptations across mediums. It's something I really like to see, so I hope it's something that you guys thought was interesting. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this box. The creator is really friendly, and I'm sure that she would be appreciative of any feedback you guys have. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of videos you would like to see on this channel. I feel like I've covered most of the basics at this point, and I'm not really sure what other videos I can contribute or how I can help you guys out without getting very specific and nuanced. I've tried to keep the videos sort of broadly applicable, but now I feel like I've covered all of the basic topics, and I don't really know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. I'm also toying with the idea of uploading videos year-round instead of a big chunk in the summer. So let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Let me know what you thought about this subscription box, and I will come back hopefully very soon with another video. Happy writing, guys!